The word
gratificante,
in Italian can translate as rewarding, gratifying, satisfying, or fulfilling. It's almost always used in reference to a job, activity, or relationship that provides satisfaction and pleasure.
gratificante,
Gratificante comes from the verb
gratificare,
meaning to be rewarding or to be gratifying, but also to compensate when talking about money. Gratificante is one of those adjectives whose form only changes for the plural, not for the gender. For example,
un lavoro gratificante,
masculine singular,
un'attività gratificante.
feminine singular.
Finalmente ho trovato un lavoro gratificante che mi rende felice.
I finally found a rewarding job that makes me happy. To say that something isn't rewarding, you can use the expressions
Scarsamente gratificante, poco gratificante,
or more simply,
non gratificante. Lavorare per quell'azienda è poco gratificante, però almeno mi danno tanti giorni di ferie.
it's not very rewarding working for that company, but at least they give me lots of days off. Two possible synonyms for our word of the day are
Appagante,
and.
soddisfacente. Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.